on Epic TV, Nadia, what going Nadia?
Good night, how are you?
Mad sitting brother man, there with our sister man, the mad sitting man at the short man. I Prince, you know.
Yeah, the live did gone up a while ago.
I Prince man, live now for bun man, so it on man, mad Flitters and mad man. I want going down there now. Epic TV, I go on. Prince.
What you have to say about the recent? What you have to say about the recent things them want go on in Jamaica, which part the man them treat the woman them and all of these things that man a chop woman in the face and man a kill woman and man a send threat to woman and all of these things what go on in the yard, you know. And that we depend on the life.
Nadia, listen me, I said the man them a go on and them a pussy on them foot virgin. The man them, me no know no boy carry car, me know me carry me anaconda. Me no carry tuntun, the man them a go on them carry tuntun. The man them for love the people them girl pick me brother. The man them for love the people them girl pick me brother and love the woman them brother. Imagine a woman take 9 months to bring you here. And we want to kill off the woman them. So when the man them kill off the woman them, no pay your man down there. But now I come back to Jamaica if I pay your man down there, me no the panic. Man them for love the people girl pick me. And the government them forget about the top policeman them for deal with them book jankria. Cause them are no man. No man no for kill woman. If you kill woman, you are fish. And
what
fish better than them.
Adam Zanling and them man there.
Team name made a call, but the interview does start. The Adams Renito to court. Adams the one back on the top police them, ups them man there. Bigger for them, Mr. Leng them for work with the new generation, the new police them car. Brother, listen we are so we're not in farmer, you know, but Jamaica full place, you know. And I where the real get and where the real board house in the Nadia. You saw me as a father because when we see what country and mash up where a woman can't walk down the road to buy like ice cream. Shana man can't walk up at them and also buy some ice cream. No, Jamaica gone. We don't know Jamaica so. So we have to try bring back the man who can manage the crime. Because I find out say the crime get out of hand and the bad man thing take over Jamaica and we not grow up so we have to have a government. And so we grew up and we respect the law. We deal with law. So the thing I shake up man, the thing we need to get back straighten up and get back the real police them. We need to say Adams ask back for the country. Why them can't get into the country with the place fixed and everybody can see for alright. And woman them can see for alright. I see man I go for mash here. Take out my eyeglass. Take out my eye now. You see Jamaica are the sweetest place in the world. May I tell you the truth, my sister. I live overseas, I live in England. I say England with the white people them. May I tell you the truth. I respect all the people them deal with them country. Black people last. To them evil, bad mind, and want people think for them to work for them own things, them jealous, and people think you work hard for your thing and like a black boy sit down and want to come grab your bag, grab your chain and you work hard. The people them down they need to clean up them bad mind and try get together as one unit.
Alright, pick up in the Rugga. One of your song them say a long time you run dance all and all now you don't get no reward. You feel say a bad mind and all these things why you not get no reward?
Alright, Nadia, great topic. Alright, my sister, we in this business from zero. We are the youth who chop out the bush. I'm putting back my eye. Change our eye, because we say image. You saw me answer my sister. Sister, we in the business over the years and we chop out the bush. And you say the mad style where everybody have up on stage and I drop, I do them, and me are the first youth creator something there. We are the youth who set the thing and we in the business and we don't get a fair trial and enough boy come to everything and take our thing. So we have to go back in our studio and say our years we are run dance hall and we not see no reward. But guess what now? We give God thanks, push for to reach in our life. We have life, we not hungry again, we are right in our life and we still help, we still got the bread and we still kind. All we are beg for you now. One unit against our brother and our sister. That's all, my sister. It's simple. Talk to me, Nadia.
Yeah, man, I really think you're top, man. I really think you're top, man. But what you have to say for the haters, them, what we say, Ruggie, him a gimmicks, him a no artist. Because me do my research. Because Epic, when Epic proposed any topic to me, and me do the research. And you have some haters always say, oh, Ruggie, him a just gimmicks. Him a no real star. What you have to say to them youth there?
My sister.
Them bad mind people there. Them grudgeful people there. Them people that want need to wash away. What you have to say?
But sister, me take her back my eye. Come on, I'm seeing my face. It's a Ruggie.
Ruggie! Tell you what,
sister, Ruggie, me no beg boy. Me not chat to people, me saying I'm old lane, I'm alright in a life. Listen this carefully. You think them dirty thinking junker, then rape Bob Marley? You think them rape Bob Marley? I beat God, I got them beat. You know, see them girl Bob Marley gunshot, them not rate nothing great. Them not rate nobody. You have to believe in yourself and don't listen to people and don't chat to people. The greatest thing, you not beg nobody the food. Come on now, Ruggie staying in lane. And at this, the new generation need the moral when me have. At least me can, yeah, me have gimmicks, yeah. Me give people joke. Me not tell my brother for the shoot your brother. I mean not out on no cigar everything in no girl mouth. I mean not kill nobody. I mean not kill no picnic. Come on now. But come to Jamaica 2 times a year. 4, 5, 6 miles. Why they not talk that? Why they not talk some of the charity, help all the kids them, send back kids at school. Do so much great thing out of my own money. I don't do charity, you know. I don't take anything I give to people, I give them out for my own. Gimmicks. So, if I have gimmicks, everybody in the music thing I gimmicks then. Because we all go up on stage and entertain people. Them don't have nothing to talk. Them don't have nothing to talk, so them have to put on something to talk. Ruggie are the greatest thing right now in this life and this planet. Me alright, me I come from nothing to something. Me alright, and when you step up, in there the mountain climb, when you step up in life, and they on it, they want to find something, find things to say to everybody. You see me, you know, see them all the great legend pioneer who staying board. Them tried this to youth so much time. Them great youth them this everybody were great. Them this bounty killer were great. We talk for them and fight for them. Them this leading man were great. We give them good dance and tune. Them this everybody saw them this they are picking them boy at this. Them this woman, who is them? We don't listen people. A bush me living I know. Me no want you and a human being said. Me no want no human. Me no listen when people talk. Give me.
Ruggie,
so,
I want to ask you. You said something a while ago about charity. What motivates you to give back to the community? What inspired to really and truly go back home? Because a lot of people leave Jamaica and then not even want to go back down there, much as go back down there to do charity. What is your motivation behind that?
Ruggie coming from the dirt. The ghetto, grew up, no shoes. Because me as a youth, tell me I growing up, I born and raised one place named Frack City, you know. Boathouse and Zinc, one of the worstest ghetto, you know. You saw me as son, when we grew up as youth, my shoes, at the top I look good. The bottom it was cardboard. So when rain fall, a whole heap of time tears come to my eye. Christmas Day, when me hear 2 more days for Christmas shopping, 2 more. We go one side to cry, because I never have nobody have firing. So me grew up as a suffering youth, wiping the car glass, hustling, selling the starlight, selling the balloon, the RF3 I hustle as a little youth, still a DJ, because I'm in the business from I was 5, so still do the hustling, and God give me one chance in life to come to a foreign country, England, 1999, and from me come here, me never look back, so me think about the person them who not have it, the kids them not have it, because me know it them feel when me I grow up. So when me reach somewhere in life and make it, me have to go back the help. The youth them out of the liquor me have, and me do them thing the 2 times a year. Right now, 2 them I talk to youth them are Jamaican. The amount of trainers that me have in my place, I well want to give it to them, the amount of things that me have to give to the youth them at Jamaica. So this is a blessing, my sister. I got my work for. And I can't give everybody.
What's new with Ruggie? Because I know say you have a song called Viral Prince out at the road. You have anything else underneath the making right now? I come up with
hold on there. You see the Viral Prince song there? Ruggie.
Yes, Daddy.
They are friend now. Separate and aside from the fuck. You see that viral Prince song, that viral Prince. Viral Prince. Brother, I grow on that now. Brother, if she can be pretty up and be politically correct.
Yeah, man, I'm soon get my credit time.
Politically correct. You're infect. Me, I'm infect. Me just come to the me. You good know. You good know. And I think I saw that. I don't mind back at the last night. I'm saying, viral Prince. Viral Prince. Viral Prince. Ruggie!
Be happening. DJ before the show done. Interview does start, my sister. Just remember where then gonna say, you know, last time we chip in on Epic TV. Right now at this, I didn't know on stage. This bigger than big stage. This is the new on stage. This stage look good. I like this stage. This is story show. What happened, my sister? Where you say now? Where?
May I ask you what in the pipelines for the viral Prince bar?
The pipeline. Man, I youth named D Blacks. I have a new thing where I mash up the whole of England and now go like this. Ra ga 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 ga, ra ga ga ga, ra ga 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 ga.
Hold on. Beg a second. Nadia, me now come to. Ruggie. You see, that song I tell me about. You see, for me, acknowledge that you have sent that to me personally as a man. As an epic review that.
Alright, give the viral Prince now some time to make him talk about him upcoming projects, them that the people can know what going with him upcoming projects. Viral Prince, what you say, what the upcoming projects that you have now? You were saying you have a song?
Yeah, so we have a thing named Ragga, me and D Blacks from Quality Diamond label, and only Park, we have a thing with me and Chris Evan where LV done, you see, our next big international tune. You see, we have our next great thing for our next Calypso rhythm again where a badness of the producer. Only Park, man. Kia on the record, only Park. My sister, we not sleeping, you know. I tell you, my sister, not sleeping, you know. Straight through, you know. Yesterday we have video shooting again, you know. Me not sleep, my sister. So we there do the work, we are do the right thing, we are do upliftment, we are deal with life, we are deal with peace, we are deal with happiness. And I one thing we want to say, we are tell the youth them say, brother, stop kill on one another, brother. Stop it, brother. Stop fight against on one another. Stop talk bad about on a brother. Stop talk bad about on a sister. Talk good about people, man. Don't you crab in a barrel thing, brother. We need to cut it out as black people and join together as one and live like how the other people might live. We alone are unite, you know, my sister. Everybody else unite, you know. And the black people are the first, you know, but what? We lost ourselves. We don't have no mirror against one another, brother. You see a man, brother, you don't know a man you want to kill him. You never see the man yet. But you the man have a little ears in his knees and a little watch.
Alright, Ruggie, like how you talk about all of this now, I want to address something what I see the other day. They must say, you're up on the stage and you must see a perform. And a man must grab your balls. Or touch after you, or grab your clothes or so. You want to say anything to the people in board that story there?
Yo, my sister, me's a madman, you know. No boy can't come near the general, you know. My thing the normal, you know. My thing the normal, so. Me not have time for some people where think dirty. We are real garrison, we are real ghetto, we are real borders, we are real zinc. No boy can't step me telling you the general. We deal with love, we deal with happiness, we deal with life. We're entertainer. No boy can't grab at me. No boy can't play with me. But take out my eyeglass. I'm not run them respect. I'm not depend them thing there. You see me? So, we think those straight. We deal with straight. We not lean.
I don't mean to say, it's like when we do the research for you, what on the epic? What on the epic? when me do my research for you, right? Me see which part you get a lot of fight. A lot of fight. You understand?
God.
So that's why me have to ask you them questions here, because I want me see on the internet when me look up Ruggie. And the amount of fight where you get youth. Me wonder if me see which part you're a kind youth. You're a genuine youth. So me wonder why them fight Ruggie so.
This bring tears to me eye, Reggie. All them things I hurt me start. God know. Sister, people and give me a basket for carry water, you know.
Wow. Me see the fight that go on the internet. Let it go for me, make me know what go on.
Nadia, we love people, you know, Nadia. We love people, you know. We love people, you know. And people give me a basket for carry water, you know. Basket, you know. And tell PLI, you know. Them can't come with that evidence, you know. I PLI people, them tell for me, you know, me heart clean and love people, you know. And fight for the people in life, you know. Most of the people who fight now, them life, I fight. I beg the youth them at Jamaica. I say, please, don't kill them off. Put on the gun. Even one youth here, Ruggie, you know. So people like me are saving and love people, you know. You see me? When the people them say them can't stop me, mommy. The people them set up all my own mother. You come on internet, come this, you know.
Yeah, man.
Pay my mother money, you know.
Me see that too.
Pay my mother. Nadia, me as a youth. Grew up in a street. Me never know no family, you know. God help me, I'm come to England. Come get 3 weeks in England. And me send for everybody in my family. The biggest opportunity in our life where a person can give a send for in a foreign country. Me send for my mother, me send for the whole of my family. Born and grow up one place in France, they get up. Me build one house so they can do them born. You can't build mansion in a ghetto. So I build a nice good place so for my mother too. And I send for my mother come here. And the people them, me have a sister where my mother afraid her. And she beat my mother. Somebody in America gave her 5,000. See me on one show at England, rapper show. And two have the image. Because them look at things around Nadia, image. Then I have vanity. Then I just an image where I put on a show. This is just Ragga. You see me? But when then I take off, I have my normal life and I live. This is just a little show. You see me? And the people them see me on one of my general show, rapper crap, and look, they look a face bleach out, and so them start think bad mind. You know themselves and give my sister 5,000. You see me? For going in one yard to get some old pan and chew out tab what this my mother live. Right now my mother live uptown. Everybody will set me up in Nadia. And her sister they dead, you know. We think I send money for bury she. The sister will set me up and this so me had clean up take about my eyeglass. She will go and beat up my mother for this, you know. She dead what you know. And me, I send money to Jamaica, you know. I'm a whole of me receive them. I send money to Jamaica for bury she, you know. She will beat up my mother for this, you know. I mean, a mother's youth. I my mother from me a 9-year-old. From me a 9-year-old, me and my mother.
But them always say, boy, pitting love them mother. So when time I see that program, them watch it. Me I say, no man, me don't know if no boy pitting really and truly want to take care of them mother.
Same for mother England. I come to England 3 weeks, mama get 6 months. I get my mother then live there. Right now, my sister they know from my mother there right now. Reddles. I see mother uptown and live big nice life. But I don't mother every day. Send money to give me a mother's youth. Nadia, my sister, I mean so wicked and bad, you know. That look like one junkie man. You know, say me a big man and look fresh and nice. Cause my heart. That have come from here. Me give you everything. Me help people without me myself, you know. I pay a phone call on my phone, you know. And this week, you know, I gotta look after people, you know, send some to straight up, you know. Or me I send my Flitters to Jamaica, I send only one people, you know. Who forget a like 5 grand, who forget a like 4 grand, who forget a like 6 grand. Share. A man can buy a party and see a Ragga. Some live my life, I broke the bread, good thing coming small package. Something better than nothing. I'm not now going to England over your lockdown. But to still have the heart and broke the bread. And I here fight. They get fight, them fight me, them people them hate me. So me have love in my heart and me love people. And then they can't stop me. Me come like water. Me dey everywhere can't stop me. The last time I come to Jamaica, do immigration check out the trainers them. Bring trainers to people, you know. Yeah, girl. You have to pay £500, and I'm say, some little youth on the street, me give them. I'm gonna take what it must want $6,000 for 60,000. Nearly 60,000, I give the woman £500 for the youth them trainers. We not pass youth that street. We walk through half a chain where all people get KFC. Out of liquor me have. And I pay fight me. Them now give me a chance so I can help more. Me not set up a charity line. Me not know when nobody and give me not. Me not take things from people too. I'm more trying to live a life so people see a boss. You know boss it. Me just live a life where me give God thanks and me no want nothing from nobody. And but when I have me try to share it. And nobody never help me. Me help the whole of my family come up foreign. You know, sister and brother, I'm a second to last son. I must have about 15 away, whole heap away. And I mean, everybody come up foreign. I mean, build house, the mama. Nice go house, then build my mother. What more me for do? Then me build my house in a ghetto. Ghetto me build my house in a. What more me for do? Nothing go on over here. We not there the foolish. The people can kick you out of their country and them see one laugh half away.
Alright, with the coronavirus what going now, Ragga, as what you have said, things get slowed down over England now and stuff like that. With the coronavirus are going, you can't do no show. All the show thing are go fail now. You have no upcoming
everything
show.
No show now go on. Everything like that. Not now going over this. More than me just keep myself relevant, tell the place on my back. To start do some show, the bookies them come in. So poor people can start eat again. People can call Ragga, say Ragga no care smart and that little thing. So we just wait for the place to pull one. No show not keep over here. Straight in a house thing. Anyway, if you never keep something right now, police come back and one charge. So no show not keep, but that's house thing right now, my sister.
Well, you say you just do a video. What you do the video for which song? Viral Prince, which song you do the video for?
No, it's not directly my video. We go to support a friend, because we always support strengthen the people.
So you now go do a video for yourself to make Ragga, because search the internet and I not to find no video. I find some all time video because y'all clash random sound clash days.
Yeah.
Little youth. So I see how far you come from.
That's right, Nadia.
Nadia, they go on second. Ragga, they go on second. You say, Ragga, near your friend. You say, Nadia does research. Nadia does facts. Nadia does not do friends and accommodations. Nadia is going to go to the internet and find out what compensates, find out what coordinates, find out what matches what the hell we are saying. You say, Nadia, Ragga, they are friends. Man to man, Nadia crosses. Ragga, they are racist. Ragga, Nadia crosses.
No, man, she start do her homework, man.
What do you mean?
Me have to pay homage to the man. So me have to know the man work. If me can't come here so come interview the man and not interview the man with no information. Everything me have to say the man start out in thing from my young youth. The same road as him and mash up the place. But see the man in about 1990 them time them are deep on the stage and do some wicked things. When me look on the man foot and see the man slippers, me I say back, the slippers dead bad.
Yeah, Joe, Nadia. So you not see the Coney Park, you not see the one at Coney Park.
Me sit down and me do my research and me look on your thing then because me have to know you are wagwan.
Be a fight, my sister, man. And
that's why me say Yeah, do your thing from the entirely from sound system days. So me not understand why your thing not take off, why your thing not bigger, and it seems like it's a dedicated you to your craft. So what a go on? So that's why me I say why the fighting a go on for Ragga.
Nadia, I don't know, you know. I don't know, you know, Nadia. I guess I know where Ruggie will be achieving a life right now. I know my one, and for the people them. And for the people them. I can't tell you something, my sister. I get to me come out, you know. I may never buy a gun yet. I may never buy a gunshot yet. Pay back soon, buy the people. And look after people and taste his party and the nice things them. When I bring foolish and foreign to the people, the best thing them, our kind, not what we have in our life right now in the minds. Don't take everything of the people. And I pay a fight, my sister, I pay a fight, I get you know. I pay a fight, I like England over there. I show me talented. Big up the selector them at England. We give with the strength. You saw where I said the bagger, the squilly. You saw where I said the big up the selector them. Mr. Speng. You saw where I said this is my DJ Mafia. The selector them we give Ruggie the strength. I love you know. Love you know. City that create a chemist, metal, the whole life people them. We give Ruggie the strength. I love people who help. I mean, a good youth, and all me need is to help, so I can help more. Come on, help the people, them, but me not have it like that. To help them the right way, more help. You see me? And the people, them just have fight. Yo, me I tell you, what, yo, how me see them deal when I feel just take on myself and I live in a bush and go to the lake, crystal for the smart, the start, the duck them. And the duck them, I give me things, you know. Come here, I say, yo, me where if a man say rather more want a bread, he might get it. I saw me deal with it, I pay good and I pay fight. Your image, them your image. But image, them in the minds of the people, them something them everything of the people, them something. A people who look after, because we never have nothing moment. We are come from dirt.
Alright,
I would give that thanks.
If you continue to put in the work and stuff like that, where you see Ruggie career go? Where you envision for yourself?
Sister, me I tell you the truth, I just see everything in God, you know. I just do my music for happiness, you know. I mean, I don't do music for nothing, you know.
Wait a second. Ruggie.
Yeah.
I have to talk to you. And Nadia, I have to talk to you. So, brother, you want to tell me, sir, all of that hard work we all do, I jump from speaker box to speaker box. You have left it to anything or anything. And then, up to anything or anything. Ruggie, you are tell me, sir, you now put an extra energy in it, as you said. This are the best out of Ruggie. You are put every energy out of it to one like a freestyle, one like a nigga pick up and put it on the platform, Ruggie. Talk to me.
I really think Epic just asked you, you know.
Yeah, man.
I really think Epic just asked you.
Yeah, man. Deep where I talk, man. The work when me doing a music in my life, very soon up. Climb 50 feet, I jump on an electric. My man go on a Stratford Rex in a big current electric, you know. My thing that now, man, no. Nadia, remember say, alright, but tell you, I'm show you my talented, my sister. Listen this carefully. Me are the only artist in the area in our life, you know. Add from the 70s, the 80s, till now, you know. Me are from the 80s, till now, you know. Thing coming up.